All right, so here's the deal. You bought yourself a bottle of Amaro Nonino because you've always wanted to try a paper plane cocktail. Because everybody's always talking about the paper plane this, paper plane that. And you know what? The paper plane is a fantastic cocktail. But now you got a bottle of Amaro Nonino and there's only so many paper plane cocktails you could drink. Well, folks, I'm here to save the day and help you empty that bottle of Amaro Nonino. I'm gonna make for you guys 3 delicious Amaro Nonino cocktails as I continue my fall in Amore with Amaro series, right, folks? Now, if you've missed previous episodes of the series, I will put a link down in the description so you guys can check it out, where I make cocktails using various brands of Amaro, all right, folks? Now, before I show you guys how to make these 3 Amaro Nonino cocktails, I'm gonna need you to do me one little favor. I'm gonna need you to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm, and make sure you stick around because we're about to boogie down. The Nonino family has been distilling spirits since 1897, and they are best known for pioneering the craft of grappa production. Amaro Nonino was invented in Friuli, Italy in 1992. It was created as an infusion of the family's grappa heritage and the traditional art of making Amari, using a unique recipe of alpine and Mediterranean botanicals macerated in their signature grappa. On the palate, Amaro Nonino delivers a slightly syrupy texture with notes of caramelized sugar, orange zest, and stone fruit, along with herbal flavors like gentian, rhubarb, and licorice. Overall, you get a delicious, bittersweet Amaro with a warm, well-structured grappa base. This is delicious stuff. All right, so let us look at what is in the sauce for our first Amaro Nonino cocktail. And this is one of my personal favorite cocktails. I really enjoy it, and it is called Fallback, and it was created by the late, great Sasha Petraske. All right, so our second Amaro Nonino cocktail is called Trouble Will Find Me, and it was created by Rafa, Garcia, Febles. And what really excites me about this cocktail is that it includes my favorite rum of all time, Smith & Cross. All right, and our third and final Amaro Nonino cocktail is called Academic Review, and it was created at Fatty Johnson's in New York City. And this cocktail has a whole lot of shit going on, so I'm not sure what to expect, but it looks really interesting, so I'm really excited to try it out. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our Amaro Nonino cocktails a sippy sip. And I'm gonna start with the fallback cocktail. It's one I've had before and I absolutely enjoy. So I'm really happy to be sharing it with you guys, right? Cheers. I mean, guys, I don't think I have to tell you how delicious this is. And you should be able to tell from the ingredients that it's perfect. I mean, it's got a very Manhattan style thing going on, but those beautiful citrus notes that you're getting from the Amaro Nonino are coupled with the fantastic apple notes. I mean, this is a really, really delicious cocktail. Definitely one that you should use when you have your bottle of Nonino. You know, again, everybody buys Nonino to make a paper airplane. Fantastic cocktail. Millions of recipes out there for that, but this is definitely the next cocktail you should make with your Nonino, okay? Now, the next two cocktails I've never had before, so I'm looking forward to trying those out, okay? And the first one, or the second one I'm gonna try is the Trouble Will Find Me. And I gotta tell you, this has some Smith & Cross in it, so I'm really excited. That's my favorite rum in the world, and I love bullet bourbon, so everything in here's gotta be good, all right? Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That is silky smooth, guys. What I love about this cocktail is you're getting those Smith & Cross notes, but they're mellowed out. I mean, this is, you know, this is all booze here. I mean, the Nonino obviously is a liqueur, so it's, you know, it's got some sugar in it, but this is a very boozy cocktail, but it's not strong. I mean, it's got some really smooth silkiness going on. Mm. Oh yeah, this is nice. That is very nice. This is a great nightcap, guys. Like if you want to just, you know, the baseball playoffs are on right now. If you just want to sit back and watch the Yankees win the World Series, fingers crossed, this is a great cocktail to do that with, guys. Absolutely. I love this with some pretzels or something too. Really, really nice, really nice. All right, then the last cocktail we're gonna try is the Academic Review. And I'm really excited to try this one out because it's one of those recipes that you look at and you're like, what is this? What's going on over here? You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and give it a sippy sip. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. It's got like some, like a little bit of like nuttiness going on. Almost, I mean, I'm getting some stone fruit, oddly enough. Let me get another sip of this here. Oh, this is very nice, guys. Very nice. It's, again, another, you know, boozy cocktail, but, you know, but it has the Demerara syrup and the Nonino in it, so that does help to cut some of the proof of the cocktail. Very, very smooth. Beautiful citrus notes that you're getting from the Nonino, and of course the expression of the orange peel. These are all really nice sippers, guys. I mean, perfect fall cocktails. Great ways to drink your Nonino, and you get the Nonino in all of these, which I love. I love the beautiful notes you get from the Nonino, which are a little bit of kind of honey, orange, syrupy stuff, you know, really, really good. Anyway, guys, so like I said, look, if you picked up Nonino for the paper plane cocktail, now you're like, what the hell do I do with this stuff now? These three cocktails are absolutely the way to go, right, folks? So I hope you enjoyed another edition of our Fall in Fall in Amore with Amaro series. It's a tongue twister, I'm not gonna lie, it is. But I hope you enjoyed this series, and I got more Amaro cocktails coming up, so, you know, stick around. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe, share with your family and friends, you know, all that good stuff, because remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.